Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking at an Excel feature called Goal Seek. Now Goal Seek can be a little bit confusing to understand, so let's have a look at it in terms of this savings calculator. What this savings calculator does is it calculates that if I can save $22 every month and I can save that for 2 years, and I can put it in an interest-bearing account that is running at 2% interest, then at the end of the 2 years, I will have saved $538.24. And this is the formula in case you need to see what it is that's behind this particular cell. Now, this is okay for calculating things if I know what I can save. Say I could save $30 a month for my 2 years at 2%, then I could save this much at the end of my 2 years. If I could only save for 1 year, then I would get $363.32. But what if, rather than putting in a value here for how much I could save each month, what if I had a target? What if, for example, at the end of 2 years, I wanted to be able to save $1,000. Well, I could continue to put values in here. I could test 31. Is that getting me any closer? I could test 50. Is that, well, that's too much. But what if I want to say 1,000 here and I want to know how much I would need to save a month to get to that 1,000? Well, this is where Goal Seek comes in. So with Goal Seek, we're just going to click on the Data tab. We're going across here to What If Analysis and going to Goal Seek. Now, this is a really simple dialog. It has 3 values that it wants. The first cell we're going to look at is this by changing cell. In other words, what cell do we want to change to get our answer? And the cell that we want to change is this one. It's the one we've been plugging numbers into. I want you to change the value in this cell, and then I want you to get 1,000 in this cell. Well, this is the set cell. So let me just wipe out its contents here, and let's just click on it. So it reads $C, $7. And to value is what value do I want to see in that cell? Well, I want to see in that cell 1,000. So I'm just going to type 1,000. So set this cell here to 1,000 by changing the value in this cell here. And when I click OK, Excel's just going to punch numbers into this cell until it gets to 1,000. It's going to do exactly what I was doing, but it does it so much quicker. There we are. It's found a solution. It's a solvable problem. To save $1,000 at the end of 2 years at an interest rate of 2%, I would need to save $40.87 every month. If I want to save that result, I'm just going to click OK. If I click Cancel, it's all going to go back to where it was in the beginning. So just be aware of that. If you want it to stay with these values, just click OK. Now, it hasn't done anything to our worksheet. Our worksheet's still going to work exactly as it did previously. It's just that Goal Seek allows us to end up with a value in this cell by changing this cell, and Excel does the work and we don't have to do it. That's as simple as it is. Now, say we wanted to get to that same $1,000, but we could only save $22 a month. Well, we could do it by increasing the interest rate, but that's probably difficult in these circumstances, in these times. But we could save for longer. So let's see how we do that. We're just going to What If Analysis. We're going to Goal Seek. We want to test this time how many years we need to save. So I'm going to, by changing cell, I'm just going to click in here for the years saved. The end result we want is in this cell here. So let's click here, wipe that out. And let's click on this to select this cell as being the one that we want to end up showing $1,000. So Excel can change the number of years that we're going to save for to get us to that $1,000. I'll just click OK. And it seems that we need to save just over 3.5 years, probably about 3 years and 7 or 8 months to get to our $1,000 given these circumstances. We want to save that result. We want to force that result into our spreadsheet. I'll click OK. So next time you're confronted with needing to get to a solution and you have only one cell that you can change, so either you could change the savings that you put away each month or you could change the number of years for which you save, then Goal Seek is your answer. Nice, simple function to use. Nice, easy way to get to a result that you are setting yourself as a target. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results every time, then you'll love my other YouTube videos. So give this video a thumbs up and click to subscribe to the channel. And on the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you to watch next.